Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanted to just get right back into it.
Yeah, get into it.
So, let's get started with this tutorial today. As you see, I just started doing my eyebrows with my Anastasia dipping gel powder and the darkest color before black and ebony, and just gonna go ahead and blend the front part of my eyebrows so there's some fading. I don't want it to be blocky, that ain't cute. And I'm using Maddie Ziegler's palette by Morphe. I just got it from Ulta Beauty. It was probably like $25, and I love Morphe because it's $25 for some very opaque colors, okay? Very opaque, they stay on. I really like Morphe. I just really do. I love all of their, series of, makeup artist brands. So I always try to get a Morphe palette when I can. And I like this one because it has all the colors, like literally all the colors of the rainbow and some dark and light tones. So, I mean, for $25, like I cannot complain. On my eyelid, I'm putting one of the lighter colors on. It's like a white color. It's more like a creamy white color, and I just put it all over my lid just so I could have something to stick on the more prominent vivid. What word am I looking for? Oh my god, I forgot the word. Vibrant. Okay, more of the vibrant colors. Okay, so you see this purple I'm putting on? I put that all over my lid, and I wanted to make it kind of like a cat eye shape, so it's just easier to, just guide myself with the other colors, and also just it's really good with the shape of my eye. It's a cat eye shape with a shadow. So as you see, I kind of used the brush, angled it a little bit, and kind of put the eyeshadow up at a little bit of an angle. Then I'm going in with a darker purple in this palette, and basically I'm going in on the crease, and that just adds some, density. So it's just, more than just one dimensional. And I use a fluffy brush just to blend out the dark purple into my rest of my lid so it doesn't look too harsh. Now I'm using like a pink color on the inner corner of my eye just to make the light purple pop more, and it kind of makes it more of an ombre from light purple to kind of pinkish color on the lid. So I'm kind of making it like an ombre purple pink color on the lid, and it looks really cute when you add pink. So I just like what it did to the eye look. Then I use like a champagne brown color on my brow bone just to make my I can't say that word, guys. Okay, whatever. My brow bone pop, you feel me? Just so it's not looking too thick on the shadow. And I use my e.l.f. glitter eyeliner, and I used it in the shape of a cat eye on top of my crease, and I just made it, a cat eye from my crease to my bottom corner. So as you see, it looks very much like a butterfly effect when I put it all together. And I like this look because I did not do too much. It took me like 30 minutes to do, and it looks like an intense look. And honestly, I love that. I love when I can look like I did a lot when I did a little. And I just took some eyeliner and I put that on my lid. Well, my lid. Like just, I lined my eyes. I didn't do a cat eye with the liner. I just wanted my lids to have a little bit of darkness on my lash line. Now I'm using my LA Girl concealer. I love this one because honestly it dries very well, but it doesn't dry your skin out. It kind of like dries still soft, but it doesn't come off either. Like it really does stay on the whole day, and I think that's why a lot of people use this brand because it's just so perfect. Like the freaking formula for it is so perfect. And I just highlighted everything I want to highlight, including my jawline, because I just want to highlight the natural shape of my face. And I use espresso tinted foundation, and I mix that in with my concealer because my skin tone is a mix of colors. It's really hard to get my skin tone sometimes, so I have to mix like 3 different foundations. But this time I only did 2, but there is a third one I usually use. And I just mix that in just so it fades. The concealer fades nicely into my face. And now I'm using my color correct. I use the orange one, and I just go around my mouth usually because for some reason that part just never matches the top part of my face. So I just always color correct around my mouth. I did not blend that in yet, but I did go ahead and add my lashes before I blended in the rest of my foundation. It takes me like 2 seconds to do my lashes. Lash tutorial, anyone? Alright, and now I'm just like, okay, popping. It looks so good with my lashes, y'all. Like I feel like both of my eyes are like one wing of the butterfly. It looks so cute. And then I take my other Morphe palette. No, it's the Juvena palette. My bad. And I use their color, like this brown red color for my contour for my nose and my cheeks, and then I use their blush color for my blush, like red, and it looks really nice on my cheeks. It has a nice little sparkle to it. And now I'm doing my lips. Just using a dark brown to line my lips. Sometimes when you use a dark color on your lips, it can make my lips look smaller. Um, Especially when I add so many dark colors on my lips, it makes my lips sometimes look smaller than I want it to look. But I do go ahead and use lighter lip colors in the center of my lip just to bring forward my lips more. I do have naturally medium sized lips. They're plump, but they're just like medium sized. They're not really like big popping lips, you feel me? But I love my lips. Like it's all good. Like, makeup really does do it justice, and as long as y'all wanna kiss me, I don't care. Alright, so you feel me? Like just put the little lighter color on the center of your lips. Bring your lips forward, make them pop. There's no such thing as having non-popping lips nowadays. You just have to just put on the fucking work. You feel me? Don't know why I'm cursing. I curse a lot. I'm going to have to learn how to censor myself. And this is really like most of the look. So I really hope you guys like the overall look. I am putting on a highlight with my finger, just taking the highlight color from the palette and just, brushing on, dabbling on, tap, tap, tap in like sweetie, the highlight. I don't want to do too much highlight because I'm a naturally oily person apparently. And when I put too much highlight on, I just look so shiny. So I just put it on the spots that I need it. Then I'm taking Morphe's banana color setting powder, putting it on my forehead and underneath my eye to set the concealer, and putting it on any spots that I feel like might get oily throughout the day, just to set all of my makeup. And guys, look, that is the look. Look at her. Yes, sweetie, yes. That is a woman for you. Some slow-mo action of me chewing my gum like a cow, whatever. But I love the look. It's just so like cutesy. Like it's just so cute. Little cute girl with the little pink hair. Like, you feel me? I like how it came out. Look how it looks when you look down. It looks so butterfly. It looks like you did so much to your makeup when you really just took 30 minutes. I love how the highlights kind of just reflect, just and you have to get the snap loves to snatch up them colors and bring them to life. So look at that snatch on the snap. Oh my god, guys, like I love how the butterfly's there too, just to show you, like that's where I got inspired, not gonna lie. Like that butterfly filter on snap, this is the one that inspired me to do this look. So I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And I really enjoyed doing this one for you guys. For more to come. And just, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And see you guys next time.